the graduating class of 2025. A round of applause, please.
Graduates and given their respective degrees and title.
Education, major in English. 26, major in Filipino. 9, major in mathematics. For the first semester, major in English, 3.